a brilliant trick known only by experienced mechanics. It may look odd, but it makes a huge difference. When the sun is blazing, you could learn a thing or two from drivers down south. Covering your tires might seem strange, but it actually makes a lot of sense. UV rays and high temperatures accelerate the aging of rubber. Tires exposed to sunlight lose their flexibility, become brittle, may crack, and lose their performance. It's important to remember that unused tires should be stored in a cool, shaded place, the exact opposite of what happens in summer when they sit mounted in full sun. In such cases, even a simple cover made of cardboard can significantly extend tire life and help you avoid costly replacements. And it's not just the rubber that suffers. Suspension parts and brakes can also be damaged if they're exposed to intense heat and sunlight for long periods. A small effort that can save you a lot of money.